On this session, I will present the result of my research entitled Needs Analysis of STEM PJBL Based IPAS ILKPD Development to Support Student Collaboration Skill. I start from the introduction. Collaboration skill, these are social and interpersonal skill that enable individuals to collaborate with others effectively. Last 2019 stated that collaborative skills are needed now and in the future. Ajri et al. 2018 identified several problems related to the collaborative skill of elementary school students. One of the obstacles expressed was the quality of coordination between group members when participating in problem-solving tasks. In carrying out science learning, the use of LKPD relies on guidelines provided by educational institutions and research available on the internet so that from activities and experience in science learning are less innovative. The presentation of LKPD needs to experience innovation, including the use of technology to improve the quality of learning by developing LKPD. Previous research conducted by Enda and Hidayat 2020 explained that elementary school need HOTS-based ELKPD which contains characters so that characters education is not only taught as a habit but can also be integrated into learning. Based on the result of previous research, there are differences with the results to be conducted. The difference lies in the approach and form of learning. The research that will be analyzed is the need for developing STEM PJBL based ELKPD science and technology to support the collaboration skill of elementary school students. It is hoped that the result of the research can be the basis of developing STEM PJBL based ELKPD paths to improve student collaboration skills. Next method, researchers use descriptive qualitative research method. This research was conducted at one of the SDIT West Bogor. The purpose of this student study is to determine the needs of students and teachers for the development of student PJBL based IPAS ELKPD to support student collaboration skill. The technique in obtaining data was carried out by conducting interviews with teachers and three students to find out the learning process of science and LKPD that was used specifically, then using questionnaire addressed to 75 students of grade 4. The stages used in data analysis are data reduction, data display, conclusion, and verifying. The result of research will be directed at several aspects, namely the analysis of the learning process and the analysis of the use of LKPD. First, learning process analysis. In science learning, students tend to use a guide discovery model and sometimes use a project-based learning model. The correction of LKPD is developed by teacher himself according to the needs of the learning objective. In learning, students rarely use ELKPD, but the school facilitates it by providing a computer lab containing 30 units and Wi-Fi at school. And students are allowed to bring device. Students have never carried out science learning activity using the STEM PJBL approach. STEM learning only begins at the beginning of the semester. Although theoretically, teachers already understand the concept of STEM learning. In practice, its application is still in the exploration stage. The level of student collaboration abilities in the classroom is at a developing stage. This is reinforced by the result of a student needs questionnaire of 61.3%, indicating that students experience difficulties when working in groups. Based on the result of interviews, three students said the science learning was mostly felt when questioned through books, rarely did experiments or made a product, and did not like group learning because some students did not participate in the work and it is difficult to distribute text. Next, analysis of LKPD usage. Based on student questionnaire and interview, 65.3% of students like worksheet that pen have picture, content, several media, not just text. The worksheet used by students still need improvement. Students more often use exercise in textbooks, rarely create project in science learning. The LKPD used by schools does not facilitate the implementation of STEAM PJBL activity. The LKPD available is mostly in the form of short answer question and only use practice question in student books. So the appearance of the LKPD is not yet innovative and the activities are not optimal. Based on the criteria and components of LKPD which are declared good, according to Go Sasi 2021, the following can be seen as a list of standard or checklist that they're in accordance with the systematic of making student worksheet. This. Next, conclusion. From the needs analysis that has been carried out, students' collaboration skill still need to be improved. In science learning, students tend to use LKPD which contains short answer question and rarely make project in groups. Innovation is needed in preparing LKPD, namely in the form of STEAM PJBL based science LKPD as a guide in implementing skill learning to make it more meaningful by involving activities to create project and experiments by integrating STEAM element in learning. Therefore, the development of STEM PJBL based ELKPD to support student collaboration skill needs to be implemented in order to provide contextual and mindful learning experience. Thank you for your attention.